everyone, welcome. Thanks so much for coming in. Today, I just want to hang out for a few minutes. I already have my foundation on and my brows. Just going to play around with this palette a little bit and come up with maybe a St. Patrick's Day look. Not really. It's just going to be some green eyeshadow. Let's not get excited. If you want to hang out with me and listen to me run my mouth, then, you know, have my dog ignore me, then please keep watching. Using the Look Pro Mega Pro 2. Not 1, not 3, not 4, 2. I'm going to go into Bisque. Just a couple more days. Today's Wednesday, St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We don't really celebrate St. Patrick's Day, even though I have quite a bit of Irish. I think it's German, Irish, and then Indian. I'm going to go in with Melon brush 504. Excuse me, I don't know why I got... It looks like a beautiful, beautiful morning. I don't even know what the weather's calling for. I don't think it's supposed to rain today. I think it's going to tomorrow. We are having our metal delivered today. Woo woo! I can't wait to get our new roof. Now I'm going to go in with this Sigma E35. This is from Mary's collection. She did such a fabulous job with that. And do I not have a lighter green? That's like some serious green. Okay, we're going to go in to Forest. I don't know, y'all. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Okay, let's just do it. So yeah, that is the big event. Let's look at the weather real quick. Okay, look at today, look at the low tonight, and then look at the low come Friday, Saturday. It's cold, y'all. See, now, I don't mind wearing greens when they keep their green look. I have a Walmart delivery at Mom's today. It makes life so much easier doing that. Thinking about doing a Target drive up. Let me switch brushes here momentarily. Sigma 36. I think it's 36 brush. If I have to keep blending with some colors, greens and purples are probably the worst. You keep blending and blending. What happens is sometimes you're just left with the base color. That is not something I want to happen. I'm going to dip back into that Bisque. See if I can get it to clean up a little bit nicer there. 36. E36. I feel like I'm playing bingo, right? Okay, I'm going to go into this Black Ivy. Okay, I just want you in the outer corner here. And just a little. Now that was nice. That was nice and smooth. This is just a, oh, it's a Morphe. I thought this was one I got at CVS. It's a Morphe 506, I believe. I'm just going to gently feather strokes blend that green up into my crease. Okay. Those look a lot alike, don't they? Okay. Which looks better. I'm trying to set it up here. I think I like this one better. Is that the one you said? I hope so. I'm going in with, I'm glad. I just got my finger in that glitter. I want my mommy. I was going to say, I'm glad that there are so many YouTube channels where people are proper and just because you don't have that here. Sorry. You start a look, and especially when you're using a bolder color, it starts looking scary. it slowly starts coming together. And just know, I cut out a lot of the blending because it's boring. Why would you want to watch me just, yeah, you don't want to watch me do that. Put it back here, and it'll be on top of that darker green. That'll make it a little bit darker, and then the lighter color I put will make it a little lighter up here.
People be like, oh my goodness, did you see Trish put up that video on St. Patrick's Day? And she wore, ew, that was disgusting. She wore green eyeshadow and glitter.
I do add a little extra concealer because I have discoloration under my eyes, and I don't want them underneath my eye to match my eyeshadow. This is such a cool multi-use purpose brush. It's just perfect. But I'm going to go back into that black ivory and tap it off because I've already set my under eyes. But I do want to bring it down just a little bit. This is the It Je ne sais quoi. I feel so fancy when I say it. I'm just going to dip into, I just want a little definition. I don't want like anything too crazy. It's my child. Okay, so this is just my fun St. Patrick's Day look. I just wanted to come on and tell y'all to have a good day. Enjoy your greenery today, whatever or however you're wearing it. I just think it's so important for us to have fun and make the most of every single day. All right, I am off. My Target order is ready. I'm going to go get that, and then I'm going to get to Mom's. So have a great day. Be blessed. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Bye.